Hello guys, welcome to Best Tools for Home website. I'm here to give you a quick review to understand how this works. So here is on the main page of the website. Here we got all the products that you can see right here. If you want to look to all together. Internet is slow, sorry. 1 second. Here you are. As you can see, it's a lot of products. Internet is a little slow, it takes a little time. However, then you have a specials here that you can add yourself. I just put one product for demonstration purposes right here. Quick view. Here you are. You can add it to the cart. You can add your special discount, 10-20%, whatever you think is fair, and you add your products here for the special. Here you got the categories that you can add for the specials, the sales only, and here is the main categories. For example, grill pans. Let's see, and we have to do search. Sorry, here you are. Here you are. As you can see, you select only those products for you. Let's see, home, garden and living, search. It works just fine. Everything it's okay. Here you are. As you can see, if they're not in the warehouse, it automatically shows it's out of stock, so you don't have to worry about that. So here you are. This is the website practically. Now you have the dashboard here where you can set up everything. You can see all your orders, sales, customers. You can see the people online. Here is 1,000 settings, guys. This could be hours and hours. I'm not gonna go through this, but however, here is where your admin, where you set up everything, your orders, your customers, where you can do your little marketing. You can see your cart here, abandoned carts. Here you work on your system, all the settings, user. You can see your analytics. It's not much to see here because it's a brand new website. It's a million settings here, guys, so you have to learn a little bit about that if you want to customize it. If no, you can keep it simple as it is. But yeah, from here you can do all the changes, add more categories here, put more stuff on special, add the products, change it manually or automatically. Everything you can imagine is here. You find it here. And here the third one will be the product picker site. Here is where you add your products. Very, very, very easy. You can add it automatically. You can get it from me all fulfilled with products, so you don't have to worry. But yeah, if you want to customize and just choose whatever you want to have on the website, you come here, and here, pay attention right here. When you go up here, you can see this settings here, replicate source category. So you can add the category wherever you want. For example, outdoors and sports, games, movies, and you choose it, you select it, and you choose it from here, and you add it in this category. If no, automatically, if you let it go to replicate source category right here, automatically it's gonna create a folder with the category that is here. So let's say you go to books here, and you choose a book to add it in your website. It's gonna add the category also automatically. So that's very, very easy. And the second settings that you have here, which is super cool, you put this is to choose your margin, how much you wanna charge extra. So practically, if you wanna put 20% on top, or if you wanna do 50%, you choose, and all the prices change automatically here. as you can see. Let me show one more time. So if you put 20%, you see like it's $11.97 gonna cost from $7.98. That's gonna cost you to buy it and resend it, and you're gonna make extra $4 here, whatever it is. And if you wanna put 20%, as you can see, price changing, so you're gonna get just 20% from $7.98, which is gonna be a total of $9.58. So everything changed automatically. It's very easy, guys. Very, very easy. You just have to play a little bit around and get through the tutorials a little bit to understand how it goes. So yeah, just simple as that. That's what it is. I guess this is a short tutorial to understand what you get and how it works. Here you are, guys. So practically with this website we give a free chatbot, which is value at least $100 if you want to install it yourself. And here the way it works, you got a chatbot right here, and you also have the avatar that can read the script for you. Let's hear the sound first to see how it sounds.
Hello, my name is Amelia and I'd like to welcome you to our website. Please check out the wide selection of high-quality products.
Yep, so you have a script that you can tell the avatar to read for you everything you want, and also the chatbot that you can engage with the virtual secretary that you have there, and he answers for you 24 hours without paying a real secretary. And for example, you can capture the emails, so you can give information to the people, and also the most important thing, you can capture the email at the end here. When you ask if before you go you like to receive discount alerts, and if people say yes, practically you ask for the email, and the people put the emails here, and you captivate it, and you can always send in the future discount alerts if you decide to sell it lower, and people might purchase it for a discount of 10-20% in the future. So yeah, this is very valuable. Every website should have one. So thanks for watching, and let me know if you need more details.